Hi, I'd like to invite you to an unboxing of this beautiful camera. Let's take a look inside the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo and see what you actually get. As you can see, inside we have two smaller boxes. One is a case for the camera itself, and the other is for the camera plus accessories. Right at the start, you'll find two dead cats, one in black and the other in gray. We also get a magnet and a clip for the microphone. And now, the microphone. The kit also includes a pretty interesting light. It can face you or light up whatever's in front of you. It has adjustable brightness and color temperature. This wasn't included in the previous version. We also get a threaded mount. The kit also includes a mini tripod. You can mount the camera on it using the mount I showed a moment ago. With this strap, you can attach the camera to your wrist. We also get a wide-angle adapter. And here we have a USB cable. Plus another cable for charging the microphone and transferring recordings. And here it is, the most important part, the camera. I already noticed something I'm not going to be happy about. When the wide-angle adapter is attached, you can't fold the camera. A small trick that might come in handy. The battery from DJI Osmo Pocket 3 also works with DJI Osmo Pocket 4.